Our world is speaking to us in a language of change. Summers stretch longer and burn hotter than in our grandparents' time. Storms gather with new, destructive intensity, while droughts and floods reshape landscapes. These are not coincidences, they are symptoms of a planet in rapid transition. Glaciers retreat, seas rise, and the seasons themselves become unpredictable. Wildlife is forced to adapt or move, coral reefs bleach, and migratory birds lose their way. The intricate web of life is being pulled apart by rising heat. For the first time, humanity is a force of nature, driving this planetary fever. The warmth we feel is a fundamental change to Earth's climate system. Understanding this change is a responsibility for everyone who calls Earth home. The future of countless species and our own civilization depends on it. What is global warming? It's the long-term heating of Earth's climate system, mainly due to human activities since the industrial era. It's not just a few hot summers, but a steady, measurable rise in the planet's average temperature. Scientists worldwide have documented this trend. The planet is getting hotter. Even a 1 degree Celsius rise has major consequences for life on Earth. Global warming is the cause. Climate change is the effect. Shifting weather, rising seas, and more extreme events. Recognizing that human activity is the driver gives us a clear target, and hope that we can change course. To understand global warming, we must look at the greenhouse effect. Earth's atmosphere acts like an invisible blanket, trapping some of the sun's heat and keeping our planet habitable. Greenhouse gases, like water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane, let sunlight in but hold on to heat. This natural process keeps Earth warm enough for life. The problem: human activities are thickening this blanket. Since the Industrial Revolution, we've pumped huge amounts of greenhouse gases into the air, especially carbon dioxide. More greenhouse gases mean more trapped heat and a warmer planet. This is not a natural cycle, it's a direct result of our actions. We're disrupting the balance that has kept our climate stable for millennia. Understanding this mechanism shows us where to focus reducing emissions. Where do these extra greenhouse gases come from? Mostly from human activity. Burning fossil fuels for energy. Coal, oil, and gas is the biggest source. Factories, cars, planes, and power plants all release carbon dioxide. Deforestation removes trees that absorb CO2 and releases stored carbon when forests are cleared or burned. Agriculture adds methane from livestock and nitrous oxide from fertilizers, both potent greenhouse gases. These sources, energy, industry, transport, deforestation, and farming, are driving global warming. Our modern way of life is at the heart of the problem. The evidence of a warming world is everywhere. Glaciers and ice sheets are shrinking rapidly, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal communities face more frequent flooding and destructive storm surges. Heat waves are more common and deadly, while rainfall extremes cause both floods and droughts. Stronger storms draw energy from warmer oceans. The oceans themselves are changing, absorbing CO2, becoming more acidic, and threatening marine life. Satellite data and on-the-ground observations confirm these trends. The signs are clear. Our planet is under stress. These changes are not predictions. They're happening now. The evidence is undeniable. Global warming's impacts are deeply human. Heat waves threaten health, especially for the vulnerable. Droughts and floods disrupt water supplies and agriculture, leading to food shortages and economic hardship. Supercharged storms and rising seas devastate coastal communities, forcing some to abandon their homes. Wildfires fueled by hotter, drier conditions destroy ecosystems and endanger lives. The world's most vulnerable populations bear the greatest burden. Feedback loops are natural processes that amplify warming. Melting Arctic sea ice exposes dark ocean, which absorbs more heat and melts more ice. A vicious cycle. Thawing permafrost releases stored carbon and methane, further increasing temperatures. A warmer atmosphere holds more water vapor, itself a greenhouse gas, trapping even more heat. These feedbacks can accelerate climate change beyond our direct emissions. Small changes can trigger large, cascading effects. The climate system is interconnected and sensitive to disruption. Feedback loops are warning signs, tipping points we must avoid. They remind us that action is urgent. The stakes are higher than we think. The challenge is immense, but solutions exist. Transitioning from fossil fuels to clean, renewable energy is critical. Improving energy efficiency, using less, wasting less, makes a big difference. Protecting and restoring forests helps absorb carbon dioxide. Governments must set ambitious targets, invest in green infrastructure, and support innovation. International cooperation, like the Paris Agreement, is essential. Individual choices, how we travel, what we eat, how we use energy, matter too. Together, our actions can drive the change our planet needs. In the face of this challenge, there is hope. We are the first generation to fully understand climate change, and perhaps the last with the power to prevent its worst effects. Nature is resilient. Given a chance, it can heal. Humanity is inventive and capable of great change when united by purpose. Young people worldwide are demanding action and leading the way. Their energy and determination inspire us all. This planet is our only home. There is no planet B. We have a moral duty to protect it for future generations. Let's work together, with courage and creativity to turn the tide. The future is in our hands. Let's not fail.